Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to find Wakame in Heartopia Call of Whales event. Okay, let's get into it guys. We have a daily request to collect 8 Wakame. And if you want to find it, go to the Whalefall Canyon area first. And you're going to explore the camp area. Then you'll see this plant. And this is a free resource, so you can collect them for free, just like the other resources like blueberries and raspberries. Okay, just go to the plant and click on the collect button to collect them. Okay, and you can use the wakame to make a dish. After you collect enough wakame, you can go to the Tidal Stove at the camp area, and you can use the Tidal Stove to cook a dish. Okay guys, and that's how you can find the wakame in Heartopia Call of Whales event. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye!